Is it clear to everyone? Say, in all the examples, instances means examples or events of frustration, of disappointment. You will, the readers here, you refers to readers will find always anger directed toward a single person, whether it is openly, straightforward, or covertly, secretly. Is it clear? Right, beta? And this man of the makeup department was convinced. This man refers to the office boy. Remember, when I note down one question. Note it down one question there with you. Compare and contrast. Compare and contrast the the characters of Subu and office boy. This is something new that I have not sent you earlier, right? Is it clear? Otherwise, I have sent you all the important questions that I feel they were important for the boards. Say, and makeup man department was convinced, was satisfied that all his distress, woes, distress, sorrows, sufferings, ignominy, disgrace, insult, and neglect were what? Who were behind it? He feels that it was due to Kotha Mangalam Subu. And who was Subu? Subu was number 2 at Gemini Studio. And here see something. Could not have more encouraging opening in films than the grown up boy, makeup boy of the boy had. Here it means that the Subu has also not better opportunities to begin his career where in the film industry as the makeup boy has done. Means they both have the Subu has also struggled to get the place there number 2. Right, beta? As the he was trying to struggle who? The office boy. He could not have. Right, beta? Is it? Have you understand me? Yeah, encouraging opening in films refers to the entrance into the film industry. Is it? So Subu has also struggled to enter in the film industry. Is it? Second, what? On the contrary, he must have faced more uncertain. In the opposite, he must have faced more uncertain. He refers to Subu, more uncertain and difficult times. Indefinite position and difficult times. Why so? Why? Because for when he began his career, who? Subu, there were no firmly established film producing companies or studios there in Madras or you can call in India. Is it? Even the matter of education, especially formal education, Subu could not have an appreciable lead, means both were equally, could not have a appreciable means considerable lead over the makeup boy. Is it? Right? The only thing the author says that by the quality of being born in a Brahmin family, it was a quality, in fact. He must have had exposure. Exposure means introduction or revelation. Introduction to more aff- affluent means it means wealthy, but here it is better. You can call it better situations. Right, beta? Affluent means wealthy, rich, but here it means a better opportunities or conditions, situations, and people. He had ability to look cheerful. It has been described about Subu. Remember, this character has come earlier, but still, it is a very important character there where in The Poet and Pancakes. My voice is audible and clear to everyone? Audible and clear to everyone? Right, better. He had the ability to look joyful all the time, even after having a hand in a flop film. Though afterward, though he has made a film that has got flop, still he has the ability to look joyful, cheerful. Right, flop, you understand? He made a film that was what that was flopped on the box office. It did not get a good response from the public. Right? He had always he has he always had work for somebody. Always he was ready to give some work to anyone. He could never do things of his own. But what was he was not able to do anything by his own. Right? But his sense of loyalty his sense of loyalty made him do things of his own. He could not never do things of, but his sense of loyalty made him identify himself with the principal completely. A principal refer to his loyalty was directed to one person. That was principal. Who was the principal? The boss. He was completely devoted and loyal to his boss, Mr. Watson. Right? He was tailor made for films. Tailor made here refers to fit. He was fit for films, right? Here was the man who could be inspired when commanded, and he was the man, right, beta? He was the man who could be inspired whenever he was been given an order. Say here it is there. It's a suggestion he has given to what? To a producer asks an advice and he gives there. Rats fights the tigress underwater. You know tigress? There's no need I to, is it? And what the saying has said, what situation and kills her. And what the rats kill the tigress. But take pity, they feel mercy on the cubs, on the children of whom? On the cubs of the tigress. And tend them lovingly. Tends here refers to cares. C-A-R-E-S, cares them lovingly. And when the what? I don't know how to do the scene. When the producer would say, is it? Subu would come out with four other ways of the rat pouring, you understand? Giving affection, love to its victims of spring. Victims refers to whom? To the tigress. Is it? Offspring means cubs. Good. And when the producer says good, but I am not sure it is effective enough. When the producer says he is not sure that the suggestion that he was giving was effective enough, right? Effective enough, then he comes with 14 more options, alternatives, options. Filmmaking must have been and was so easy with a man like Subu. Is it? Around. And if ever there was a man who could give direction and definition to, who has gave a particular definition to Gemini or Gemini, both pronunciations are correct. Right, studio during the golden years, during the best years of the Gemini studio was what beta? It was only Subu who. It was who? Subu. Now go through it and see. Any doubt? Anywhere? Any question? You may ask me any word meaning anything you feel that you have not understand. Clear to everyone? Right, beta. Subu had a separate identity, right, beta, as a poet too. And though he was certainly capable of writing more difficult and higher forms of poetry, he deliberately, by his own choice, intentionally choose to address his poetry to the masses, to the people. Whenever the people were gathered, he intentionally, what better, he addressed his poetry, recite his poetry in front of the public. His success in films overshadowed means eclipse or darken, and dwarf. Dwarf means, what is the meaning of dwarf? You know? Here it is, made unimportant. Make unimportant. What? His literary achievements. Or so his critic feels. Those who criticize him, they feel that what? That his success in film has eclipsed and made less importance his literary achievements. You know the meaning of achievements? To achieve something good, is it? Right, Bida? He wrote several truly original story poems in folk refrain. Folk is a what bit a traditional form, is it? And refrain is what? Something that has been repeated again and again in a poetry. Like if you have remember, you have read one poetry there in class 10, if you remember. That was the rhyme of Ancient Mariner. Do you remember that? Yeah, that was a poetry in the folk, and the refrain was used in which certain lines and stanzas are repeated again and again. Is it? So what is there? And story poems, a folk refrain and diction means poetic language. Also wrote what is sprawling, right, beta? Effortless wrote a sprawling novel. Is it? Effortlessly, that Tilana Mohambal with dozens of deftly means what bit cleverly. Est means described characters. Is it clear? He is quite successfully, completely successfully recreated the mood and the manner of the Devdas in the early 20th century. Devdas, you know, is a well-known character, what bit a romantic character in our stories. Is it? Right, beta? A movie has also been came of whom? Of Shah Rukh Khan, Devdas. Right, beta? And he has provided a better mood and manner of the where in 20th century. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt? Any question? No? He was an amazing actor. Very good actor. Amazing. That can surprise anyone. He never aspired he never desired to the lead roles. But what better the subsidiary means supporting roles he played in any of the film he performed better than what? Than the supposed main actors. Plays here refers to the main actors. He had a genuine love, a real love for anyone he came across, he met. His house was a permanent residence for dozens of near and far relations. Means many of the relatives were living permanently at his residence. And acquaintances means friends. It seemed against Sabu nature to even conscious, to even what conscious, what is the meaning of conscious? Do you know? Aware. Is it better? Aware that he was feeding unconsciously, you can say. He was unconsciously, or he was not even conscious that he was feeding. He was aware that he was feeding and supporting so many of his near and dear relatives, near and far relatives, as well as his friends or families. Any question? You can go through it and see. He was, shall I continue? Right? Shall? Right.
Sir,
Yes, yes, Nandini. Oh, sorry, Ananya.
Ananya sir. Sir,
Yes,
may you
beta, I
please
know.
tell me the meaning of sprawling?
Sprawling, I have told you, beta, effortlessly, a very good one. Right, beta, novel. Is it?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Right, beta? Just go through it first and see the entire job that I have taught you now. If any doubt, you can ask me. Sprawling means beta stretching, spreading somewhere. Is it beta? In a large, untidy way. That's why it is carelessly you can call, or effortlessly. Is it? Sprawling. Say, shall I continue? Any doubt? Ananya, doubt any? Right, beta, my child is very good. Say, he was such a charitable and improvident. Improvident means spending money in a careless way. He was an improvident man. Yet he had enemies, and in spite of that, he had enemies. Was it because he seems close and intimate? Both things. Intimate is also very close with the boss. Now the question has been put. Was that he was very close to the reason this to the boss? That was the reason that he had so many enemies. Is it? If that was the reason that he had so many enemies, or was it his general? Beta, demeanor means behavior or manner that resembled a sycophant. Sycophant is what, beta? Uh, right, beta? A man who spent money, or flatterer. Or you can say he resembled a what, beta? A flatterer, excessively obedient. Or his readiness, he was always prepared to say nice thing about everything. Psychopath, you can call a flatterer, chaplus. Right, beta? You know flatterer, who is very obedient. He does not bother whatever it is. Whatever the boss says, he is ready to agree. And shall I continue? Say, I'm going to complete this paragraph. Afterwards, you have to go through it again with a particular. Don't close the. Don't shut off your video. Right? You have to go to a very. You have to read this paragraph very particularly. Huh? By the with your attitude that you are going to prepare what a character of Subu, and certain lines are there that are where of the office boy too, that compares the office boy with the Subu. Is it? Remember this point, these lines are very important. You must have the points and you must have the caliber to write them in your own words. That is very important because nobody can learn or wrote by heart any question. There are so many questions there were in the textbook, and this question I feel if it comes it will be of 6 marks, not less than it, right? Most 95%. So you may, I'm going to complete it and complete this paragraph, and then you must go once more. In any case, there was this man in the makeup department. This man refers to who was there in the makeup department? Office boy. Is it? Who would wish diverse things for Subu? Who would wish that terrible things may happen with whom? Diverse means terrible. Terrible things may happen with whom? With Subu. Go through it paragraph once again, and after that I've told you, read it in such a way that if the question comes to compare and the contrast the character of whom, beta? Of office boy and Subu, then you must be able to answer it. Underline those lines that are important here. First about the office boy, and then about the Subu, the comparison to. And then what are the particular traits of the Subu's character? What happened, Ananya? Why you are fighting with Aditya? No fights there, and don't close your what? The video. Oh, just switch on it. Underline those things first, right, beta? Subu's the important thing that he was fit for the films. He was always ready to give suggestions to the producer, and if the producer was not satisfied, he can give 14 more options to him. These are the characteristics. Is it? He was a good poet. He write a what, and he used to recite his poems in where in front of the public. He was what, beta? A very generous man, large-hearted man. Hundred what? Many far and close and far relatives and friends were always living at his residence. He was providing them what? Every food and shelter. You must know these things. They are very important. See, this chapter is difficult one, right? And here you may find one more thing that I have started with in the very beginning, that it was a humor. You know, humor. In the very beginning, I have told you humor as well as the human mistakes, right? You have to be careful for that, beta. Is it clear to both of you, all of you? Shall I continue? Right? Say, you saw Subu always with the boss, but in the attendance role, understand where he was been given the where his name was put in the attendance role. He was kept under the department called the story department. Right, beta? And that comprising means consisting a lawyer and an assembly of a group of writers and poets. You must take care the humorous things. Say he was number two there where in the Gemini studio, but he was enrolled where in the story department. And one more interesting character has now been introduced. That is what the lawyer. You will find a question. It might be of 2 marks. The lawyer is also very interesting character here. Let's see what has been said about the lawyer. Lawyer was an officially known as a legal advisor. You see, who advised on the legal subjects. But everybody referred here to him as opposite. Opposite means that he was illegal advisor, not a legal advisor. Is it? An extremely talented actress, very talented actress. You know the talented, able, whether prodigy, is it? Actress who was also an extremely temperamental. Temperamental means short tempered. Once blew over means get angry on the sets. Sets I've told you where the shooting is going on, the set has been prepared for a what? Particular picture to shoot, is it? And they are always artificial, right? Is it clear? While everyone stood stunned, shocked, the lawyer quietly switched on the recording equipment. Recording equipment means the equipment that was there to record what beta the dialogues and dialogues of the actors. When the actress stopped, paused for a breath, for a little, for a short breath, the lawyer said to her, 1 minute, please. Just wait for 1 minute. And she played back the recording. And she played back whatever he has recorded where on the recording equipment. Is it? Right, beta? There was nothing incriminating. Right, beta? Making someone appear guilty. Right, beta? Incriminating means making someone appear guilty or unmentionably bad about the actress accusation against the producer. Tirade means accusation, allegation against the producer. When she heard her voice again through the sound equipment, she was struck dumb. She was very much shocked. Struck dumb means very much shocked that he was unable to speak a word. A girl from what beta from the rural area. Countryside means rural area from the village side. Is it beta? She had not gone through all the steps of worldly experience. Was generally preceded. That mostly comes. Precede means comes before the position of importance and sophistication that she had found herself inside it. Catapult means inside it. She never quite recovered from the terror, and she was not able to walk from the recovered from that fear she felt that day. She felt on that day. That was the end of a brief and brilliant acting career of whom beta? Of that what beta? Of that promising actress. Is it? The legal advisor who was also the member of the story department. The legal advisor was also there enrolled in the story department. Had unknowingly, unwittingly means unknowingly brought about the sad end. Right, beta? Of whom, what sad end? Of the career of that promising young girl, actress. while every other member of the department. No, but up to here. First, go through it and see any doubt, any question here you want to ask. Is it?
Sir, continue.
Continue, beta. I thought that you might have a question, any question. Right, beta. Is it? Say, everywhere, every other member of the department refers to the department refers to the what, beta? To the story department. Is it?
Sir, can you please tell me the meaning of incriminating?
I have told you, making someone appear guilty. Nothing. There was nothing that was making someone appear guilty of a crime. Is it means that she has not said anything that that may look or that may look was that was harmful against whom, beta? Against the producer. Is it? Say, while every other member of department wore kind of uniform. That was what was the uniform? Khadi dhoti. With a slightly oversized, slightly big, and awkwardly tailored. Clumsily means awkwardly. Tailored means stitched. White khadi shirt. The legal advisor wore pants and ties and sometimes a coat that looked like a coat of mails. Coat of mails is armor. Is it better? Coat of mail means armor. Like you know armor. Have you ever heard the word armor? Armor was the what better was the dress that the warriors wear when they go for the war. Is it? Right. Often he looked alone and helpless man and a cold logic in the crowd of dreamers. Right, beta? Is it? And cold logic means that has no what beta? That has no value of human feelings. Logic, it is depends on the reasons without any feelings. Is it beta? Cold logic. In the crowd of dreamers, you know why dreamers? Poets are always in imagination and dreams. Is it? Right? Their poems or writings cannot be judged with a scientific way or in a scientific way. Natural in the naturally or natural commonly a man in an assembly of Gandhites means the followers of the Gandhis and Khadites means the people who wear the khadis. ठीक है? Like so many of those who were close to the boss, he was allowed to produce a film, though a lot of raw stock and pancakes were used in it. What lot of material, makeup material was used in that film. Not much came of the film, but the film was flop. It has not given a good result or good income. Then one day the boss closed down the story department. He shut down. He closed the story department. And what happened? What happened, beta? And what? And perhaps it was the only example in the human history that the lawyer has lost his job. Why? Because the poets were asked to go home. Lawyers and poets are two different things. And the lawyer has lost his job because the boss has closed the story department and he asked the poets to go home. Is it? See, go once through it and see if you have any trouble or question or doubt anywhere. Yes, beta, Ananya. My voice is not audible.
Sir, may you please tell me the meaning of not much came of the film?
Means the film did not get any great success. It was proved to be a flop one. Yes, Kunal.
Sir,
The same.
sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, can you tell me the meaning of sophistication?
Quality of being sophisticated. This quality cannot
Okay.
be expressed. Beta, sophistication. It's Samvedansheel in Hindi called is Samvedansheel, something very touching. Is it?
Okay, so sir, means this word is used for whom?
Which one,
This
beta? Just wait, my child. I am going
no,
to
sir,
go.
I'm just asking that here this word is used for
It means
whom?
that these words are used for what? For that promising actress whose career whose career got end due to the legal advisor, beta.
Okay.
See, it is there. She had not gone through the stages of worldly experience that generally comes, takes a position of importance and what, beta? And
Sophistication.
sophistication that she had found herself. Is it, beta?
And
She
sir,
has find herself
catapulted
into
means
it. Means बेटा इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि वो हीरोइन जो थी उसने दुनिया का अनुभव नहीं हुआ था बेटा और राइट बेटा जो अक्सर आता है क्या जो उसको वो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था जो इतनी बड़ी उपलब्धि से पहले एक आदमी को होना चाहिए. Is it बेटा?
yes.
Is it she has not gone through all the stages of what better experience that a man get before getting a good position. Is
Okay,
it clear?
okay.
Who was
Sir,
who was yes,
Priyanshi.
beta. Have you
No,
understand it
sir.
properly?
Yes, sir.
And she
Thank you,
refers
sir.
to whom, beta? To that
Sir, the
promising that
actor.
actress whose career was been put to an end by whom?
So,
By the legal advisor. If you have not understand,
legal
don't feel
advice.
shy. I can repeat once more. Do you want?
No, sir, please. Yes, sir. Sir,
Do you want
please.
more? See,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
The legal advisor has what he did. He has that the actress got angry on the stage and said certain things, though they were not like a crime against the producer. What had been done by the legal advisor? He has recorded what beta the words that she was saying over there in the recording equipment. When the actress stopped for a moment, she asked her, "1 minute, please," and then she what played what beta that equipment, recording equipment. When that actress heard her own voice, she was shocked. Is it right, beta? She was shocked, though there was not anything. What beta? Anything that can make someone guilty of a crime or something bad, right? That about the actress, about against the producer, who against whom that actress had made the allegations. Is it, beta? Have you understand me? Yes or no? बेटा इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि लॉयर ने उसको इक्विपमेंट को ऑन कर लिया जब वो गुस्से में बोल रही थी, ठीक है। जो एक्ट्रेस बोल रही थी उसने उसको ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोला था जो गलत हो प्रोड्यूसर के खिलाफ, परंतु जब उसने अपनी आवाज रिकॉर्डिंग इक्विपमेंट में सुनी तो क्या हुई, वो शॉक हो गई। और इसको ये प्रॉमिसिंग थी, आगे बढ़ रही थी, परंतु इसने दुनिया के वो सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस नहीं किए थे जो एक आदमी अपने अपने किसी पीक पे पहुंचने से पहले उसको होने चाहिए। इसका ये हुआ बेटा, इसका इफेक्ट ये हुआ बेटा कि उस हीरोइन का कैरेक्टर, उस एक्ट्रेस का कैरेक्टर जो था वो इस लॉयर ने अनविटिंगली मीन्स अननोइंगली है ना, अनइंटेंशनली एंड कर दिया। इज इट क्लियर नाउ? राइट बेटा प्रियांशी? फाइन बेटा, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू इन हिंदी टू। इज इट? एनी मोर डाउट? एनीवन एल्स? इज इट? से राइट बेटा, इज इट क्लियर? से
नमस्कार।